How to block email using spam filters in DirectAdmin. You can block spam emails from specific email addresses using spam filters. Let's see how you can do this. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click Spam Filters icon. It is the Email Filters or Spam Filters interface where we can create different types of filters for incoming emails. Click to open the drop-down list of different options for blocking emails. To block email from a specific email address, select the Email option. Now enter the email address in the text input box provided. Then click Block button. The entered email address has been blocked. You can block more email addresses in a similar way. Just enter the email address and click Block button. Blocked email addresses are listed here. You now know how to block email addresses. Thank you for watching.